In this section, we'll see an introduction of Primavera systems and Primavera P6. Primavera is a software range developed by Primavera Systems Incorporation. This software range contains solutions for enterprise project portfolio and project management. Primavera was launched in 1983 and it was acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2008. Here is the list of some solutions provided by Primavera. All of these applications serve different roles in portfolio and project management. Portfolio is the collection of programs and projects of an enterprise. Primavera P6 ePPM is a web-based solution for project management, and it also contains several features for portfolio management. As it is a web-based solution, so different users around the world can be connected through a web-based server. Primavera P6 ePPM is intended for large enterprises which have multiple programs and projects under their domain and which are operating worldwide. The application for which this training is about is Oracle Primavera P6 Professional Project Management. Primavera P6 PPM can be installed in a single workstation with a dedicated database, and it can also be connected to an external server, making it possible to connect multi-users. Other applications like risk analysis and earned value management are designed to serve some dedicated project management functions. We'll not go into details of all of them, but let us now see Primavera P6 PPM in detail. Primavera P6 PPM is a powerful software for planning, monitoring, and controlling large and complex projects. Projects up to 10,000 activities can be planned and controlled using this software. Resources and cost play a very important role in any project. You can create unlimited resources and manage them with Primavera P6. Also, you can analyze, monitor, and track resources and costs through this software. You can also optimize resources with the tools like resource leveling, and you can do the earned value management of the projects also. Primavera P6 has a very powerful reporting function. You can generate reports on enterprise level as well as project level. For example, you may want to see company's resource details, monthly cash flow of projects, earned value of the project, expenses, issues, or any other kind of data. All of these and lots of custom reports can be generated, saved, and printed with Primavera P6 software. Primavera P6 PPM is a database-based software which installs on a workstation, and multi-users can access a same project through its enterprise environment. This is a very powerful feature as number of people are involved in planning, monitoring, and controlling of a project. Number of users can be created, their access can be defined, and then all of the project team can work on a project simultaneously from their workstations. We'll see this enterprise environment in detail in coming lectures. According to Oracle website, Primavera P6 will enable you to plan, schedule, and control from the simplest to the most complex projects. Allocate best resources and track progress. Visualize and communicate project performance versus plan. Conduct what-if analysis and analyze alternative project plans to increase speed and efficiency of project execution. Evaluate risk, identify issues, and determine their impact on projects. And enable project collaboration so everyone on the project team has the details necessary to contribute to project success. So that was a brief introduction to Primavera systems and some of its applications. Now it's time to start exploring the Primavera P6 professional project management software.